Water was little cold due to weather. We play a lot in sand. We went to top of Dune. It's always fun to visit beaches. Indiana Dunes National Park resides on the shores of Lake Michigan, near the sprawling Chicago skyline. The park protects a 20-mile-long section of wilderness along the lake shore. Indiana Dunes is known for its diverse hikes. It's a good place for adventure. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned.